Hello, today we're going to talk about assignment one. When you get to my class, Introduction to Computers, you click on the tile in Canvas, it will take you to this screen. From here, you can find all of the assignments in the modules area. So let's click on modules to actually find the directions for the assignment. Here you're going to see all the different modules. You can see general, keyboarding, spreadsheets, and so on, divided by the different units of study that we're going to be looking at this year. Don't be overwhelmed by all the stuff you see. We're going to be going through this gradually, and it's not going to be as overwhelming as it seems. You're seeing all the work through the end of January, so don't be overwhelmed by that just yet. So let's take a look for the numbered assignments. You'll see some of these are assignments like A01, register typing, A02, email to instructor. Some of them are more helpful things that we'll talk about later. Let's go ahead and click on the first assignment, A01, register typing. And here we can find the directions for the assignment. You'll also sometimes see links to other things that may help you. Now, this is asking us to create an account for typing.com. Let's take a look at that and see what it's going to look like. I'm going to open a new tab in my tab browser. And let's go to the URL bar and type typing.com. Now, some of you may already have a typing.com account that you may have created for another class. Some of you have not done this. If you haven't done it, we're going to click sign up now. If you've already done it, go ahead and go to your login. So I'm going to click student sign up to show you how you may want to do this. Create for yourself a username, student learner, I don't know, how about 4? You also create a password. I do suggest that you write down your password somewhere. If you forget your password, it'll be a challenge to get that fixed. So write that down somewhere or pick something you're going to remember. There's an option here for your email. If you would like to put in your student email, which is your 9-digit student number at lbschools.net, you can do that. It's also going to ask you to check this box. Now, I understand many of you will not be 13 yet, but you'll also see there's a statement here about being directed by an adult, and I'm directing you to do this, and I'll be supervising you. So it's okay to check that box right there. And then we can sign up for the account. Oh, that email already exists. Let's pick a different set of numbers there. All right, so once you've created your account, you'll be able to log into typing.com. Here's where we're going to do our practice for typing.com. But you haven't yet linked this account to my class. So to do that, let's first come up to our account settings. So you click on your username, click account settings. And down here, make sure that you type in your first name and last name, because some of you are so creative with your username that I would not be able to identify who you are, and I wouldn't be able to give you credit for all the hard work you're going to do. So make sure your name is visible, first name and last name. And then once you've done that, then you can link to my account. If you scroll down, you'll see that there's a place to join the classroom here. And you can get that back from the directions. Let's return briefly to the directions for the assignment. Click the link that says join class in typing.com. And you're going to have a page like this that will give you codes to join each of my classes. Now, these numbers may change when the semester starts and they actually give me my schedule. This is the schedule from last year. So you're going to type in the appropriate number into this box right there, and that will allow you to join my class. And if you have, in fact, identified yourself, I will accept you into my class, and then I will be able to monitor all your work and give you credit for it, which is something you're going to want. Or if it's easier, you can just click the link here. It will ask you to log into your typing account, and that too will link your account to my class. And that is assignment 1. You're going to want to do this as soon as you can, because before you do this, I will not be able to give you any credit for your typing work. So definitely you want to do this in the first 2 or 3 days you're in the class.